When I'm answering the ERISA disability carriers or plans questions on an activity of daily living form, should I write a book, a day by day, minute by minute summary of what it is I do during the course of a normal day? Now, I think that writing a book is the wrong way to go about this. You should be succinct, honest, and truthful. As I've said in earlier videos, what I think you should be doing is writing down what it is you do during the course of a normal day, how your symptoms impact your ability to do things on a good day, how that they may impact your ability to do things on a bad day. If you are writing a book, disability carriers tend to think that you are exaggerating, and better yet, they see it as an opportunity to put surveillance on you to see if there's inconsistencies between what you report on those activity of daily living forms and what you are telling your doctor. And so those inconsistencies can basically be used against you, because they'll go back to your physician and say, they told you X, Y, and Z, but we've got surveillance that shows them doing more than they say they're capable of. Now, would you agree that the restrictions and limitations that you assigned aren't applicable? So talk about what happens on a good day, talk about what happens on a bad day. Do not exaggerate. And once you've completed this form, I suggest you set it aside for a day or two. Then have someone close to you read it to see if they agree with you. Because sometimes you will have missed things that you are having difficulty doing, and that suggestions from loved ones or family members can help improve that. Now, if you are represented, you want your attorney to review it before it's submitted to the ERISA disability carrier plan, because we're always looking for bombs in these statements, landmines that can blow up your case. And we're also looking at what you've put in the medical records to see if there's this inconsistency. So we don't want you to be creating a reason to give the disability carrier to deny your claim on the basis of inconsistency, or worse yet, put surveillance on you and catch you doing something you said you didn't do or didn't do a lot, and then confront you or your doctor with that information and say, they didn't tell you the truth about their symptoms and functionality. Here's what they put on the forms. Would you agree with this doctor that they don't have the restrictions and limitations that you've assigned, that in fact they can work? So take these suggestions seriously. If you have any questions about your rights to ERISA disability benefits, please call us today at 727-894-3188. We can help you get the disability benefits you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States. 727-894-3188.